increasing confidence, reducing depression. This is the subject that we're going to be looking at, investigating, researching over the next few weeks, which will finalize in a live workshop entitled Increasing Confidence, Reducing Depression. We'll be looking at how we can make steps to reduce depression and how one of the big steps towards that is increasing our confidence. That's why we say at the beginning, increasing confidence. And through that, we can reduce depression. The approach will be looking at how we can accomplish this through the practice of meditation. How a simple meditation practice can help us to discover the powerful way in which we can reduce the depression in our mind. How, through creating space within us, through training our mind, through controlling, calming our mind, we can cultivate an inner confidence, which then will have the power to start to reduce depression. Simply speaking, to strengthen the positive states of mind that we have and to reduce the negative states of mind. The more positive our mind is, the more confident we are. The stronger we feel within. Our mind that we have is like a muscle. If we train our mind, it's like training a muscle. It becomes stronger and stronger. As our mind becomes stronger, then it has more power to conquer negativity. If our mind is weak, then negativity has an open door. It can enter into our life and start to infiltrate and take over our thoughts, our feelings, our experiences, our outlook. Our mind is like a filter. We see the world through the filter of our mind. If our mind is strong and clear and positive, then the world that we see is different to a mind that is cloudy and negative. So the way in which this series will be looking at how to reduce depression is a very proactive, positive way. We'll be looking at it in a very proactive and positive manner. We'll be looking at how the negativity in our life is coming from within, not without. This is a fundamental understanding that we need to try to start to allow into our life, that negativity comes from within. It comes from a perspective, it comes from a state of mind. So through training in meditation, through looking within, we can start to see how our world is coming from our mind, and we can start to make changes within our mind. This is very important. We'll be looking in this series at combating different levels of depression. First of all, recognizing what triggers the mind of depression, what initiates it, and how it can grow in our mind. We'll be looking at these key issues and then starting to challenge negative ways of thinking through learning more and more about our mind. So by the end of this series, we'll be confident that we can reduce and finally overcome depression and find inner peace.